How to fix KB5060842 fails to install in Windows 11. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Check services. Scroll down a bit to find Windows Update. If it is already running, right-click and select Restart. If the service is not running, double-click it, pick Automatic under the Startup Type drop-down menu. Click Start, Apply, and OK. Repeat this process for Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BITS, and cryptographic services. If that didn't work, fix 2. Run Update Troubleshooter. The troubleshooter will automatically scan your system for potential problems and display any issues it finds. Fix 3. Repair corrupted system files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Fix 4. Reset Windows Update components. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, fix 5. Install the update manually. Link in description. Find the correct version of the update for your operating system. To check this, right-click on Start and pick System. Under Windows Specifications, check the version, and click Download.